Hello YouTubers, as you can see I've got the Commodore 64 set up because today is Halloween. I've surprised you all, don't know that by now. And I plugged in my joystick and my SD2IEC over there, as you can see. And I've already loaded up the game, and the game is dun, 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 Friday the 13th. Now, as you can see, let's just get a zoom in on that. So yeah, so this is Friday the 13th on the Commodore 64. Now it says, Friday the 13th, can you find and kill Jason before he can kill you? Jerry King. Jerry has a taste for adventure. He would never refuse to help anyone and is a natural leader. He uses his combination of strength and intelligence with great success. But what is his hidden weakness? We press fire to start. Now as you can see, this is Friday the 13th. Turn that down a bit. Now you are this man, and you are walking around with some scary music going on right now. Keep going. Watch out for him right here. They're all out to get you. Nah, these are good guys, these are. I've got no weapons, as you can see. They've got no weapons. So we keep going. So yeah, so this is Friday the 13th. Watch, this is graveyard right here. Trees. Going through the woods. Oh, I think I can pick that up. Have some of that. Let's go in the barn. If you can hear that clicking noise, that's just me moving the joystick. Have some of that. Have some of that. Ouch. Have some of that. I don't think it's supposed to hurt you. Ouch. So we keep going. Watch out for all these people out here. Oh my god, it's quite scary. Back at the barn again. Look how I dropped my weapon on that, so I'll take that one instead. Massive axe or whatever it is. Have some of that tree. Oh, nice house here. Let's have a look inside. Have some of that. That was not very nice, was it? What's this? It's a cooker or something. I think it might be a cooker. Little TV right here, nice cosy looking room. Seems to be a bed over there and a chair. Have that chair, have some of that. Go in the wardrobe. Right. So we keep going. So this is a game by Domarks software. The music's pretty scary. Have some of that. Just chopped him with an axe, that's gotta hurt. Didn't retaliate that, so we keep going. Go up here. So yeah, so I don't know what this target is. Have some of that target. So the music changes depending on your location. Tractor right there. You can't use the tractor unfortunately. It's a shame. You can give it a bit of an axe. Have some of that tractor. So we keep going. Going to church. Ah! Who's this? Is that the main man? Is that Freddy or whatever his name is? I'm gonna follow him. See how he goes. Where's it gone? There it is. Have some of that. Oh my god, turn into a girl. See, I haven't watched the movie, so I'm not quite sure what the story is to this. Where's it going? Good. Have some of that. Ah, it's coming to get me. Ah. Oh my god, have some of that. He's cutting, he's got. Ah, 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 it's coming to get me. Ah, ah. Look at it. Oh my god. Yikes. Have some of that. It's coming to get me. It's crazy, it's a nutter. And so am I actually with my axe. Ah. See, this is my thinking war. No, no, don't kill me. Ah. Oh my god, he's coming to get me. And we keep going. Have some of that. Ah. Where are you going? Have some of this, have some of that. That's gotta hurt. I don't know what I've hurt him, but it's gotta hurt. Back here we go. See if it follows me in here. Have some of that. Some scary music. Oh my god! Ah, he's still coming to get me. He's found me again. Have some of that. Ouch! Have some of this. I'm back in the woods again. Have some of that. Ah! Ow! Ah! He's gonna kill me. I'm gonna die. I'm about to die. Through the graveyard. Watch out! He's coming. He's coming. Got down to the woods today, and even be surprised. And everybody, teddy bear, that day's a day. The teddy bears are the picnic. There's quite a few different audio tracks on it. Robin Hood with his resume. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh dear, you seem to have lost your head. What a shame. Ha ha ha. I'll have another go on that. So we keep going. Scary music, I have to admit. Nicer than Buzz Seat Chip. Let's try the barn. Have some of that. Have some of that. That's gotta hurt. not very nice. So we keep going. Have some of that. Have some of this tractor. Have some of that. So we keep going. Back in the woods again. Whoa. Yeah, because you can see now that someone's actually been killed in my team. So I think the objective is to try and keep all your crew alive, your teammates. Right here. Sampled speech there. Have some of that. No, I think it's on my side, to be honest. So we keep going. I don't know what's in here, there's not much in here. Try up here. I'll basically go around in a circle, I think. Where does he think he's going? That's stuck on the graves, not very nice. So we keep going. Oh, where have we gone? I went behind it, wrong then. So yeah, so we've got to watch out here. I'll grab that again, I think. There's a church again. Try down here, back around here again. So we keep going. Nice little bedroom here. What are you doing in this house? This is my house. Oh, I'm dropping. Where have I gone? I just saw Ferdy right there. I'm sure I just saw him. I don't know where he's gone now. That dead person. Oh my god. I'm not sure where he is, I can't seem to find him. I might check in the house in a minute. Try down here as well. And there's a graveyard again, so maybe it's up here. As you can see, there's not many screens to explore. Yeah, check in the house again. See if he's in the house. There's an axe in the house. That's an axe in the house. Going. Have some of that. Oh dear. There's the house again. So back in the barn, have some of that. Have some of that. I don't think it's supposed to kill her. Yeah, because I was on your side. I don't know where that Freddy is. Find him up here somewhere. He's got to be somewhere. Oh, I've just looked in the house. Oh god, all my people are trying the barn. So again, I'm trying to find Freddy, not her. Or Jason, all of his. I can't remember his name. I've never watched the movie, to be honest. Let's try the church. I just saw him. Where's he gone? Definitely just saw him. Maybe he's up here. So yeah, so we keep going, see if we can find. He's got to be around here somewhere. What was that then? Let's have another look in the house. Follow her. Where's she? Oh, she got back that way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus, trying to give me a heart attack. So we keep going. I have got a weak heart, you know. I haven't heard it, but not at the moment. Yeah, so try the barn again. He's got to be around this. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus, did that give you a fright, YouTubers? It certainly did me. Whew. I was not expecting that. So we keep going. I've got to find this Freddy. He's got to be somewhere around here. So yeah, so we keep going. Maybe he's in the house. I think he's in the house, but... can't find him anyway. He's got to be somewhere, surely. Try down here again. So we keep going. I just saw something then, what was that? There he is! Have some of that! You killed all my friends, now I'm gonna kill you. Have some of that. Where are you going? No, I'm here. You're going in the church! I'm coming to get you, Freddy. Have some of that. Look at my face down here, it looks a bit scared. Oh my god! Ah! What are you doing to me? This turn. Oh, it's someone in disguise. Have some of that. Ouch! Ouch! No, no, he's got me. I can't escape. Ah! Anyway, so that's that's Friday the 13th from Domarks on the Commodore 64. It's not really the best of games. It's alright for a laugh, and I don't think it got very good reviews in the magazines at the time, but I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10 because it's quite scary, to be honest, for my liking, and it's quite fun for a quick blast. Cool.